Here we are completing a radiant shower installation. The floor in this bathroom is already heated on the underside of the subfloor using Uponor Quik Trak panels. For this radiant wall application, we're going to be using Uponor Quik Trak panels. Uponor Quik Trak panels are 1/2-inch plywood with an aluminum backing. They have a groove in them that takes 5/16" Wurzbo Hepex pipe. They come in different configurations. This one is a straight panel application. Uponor also offers return panels. Uponor also offers combination panels that serve both purposes. A wall application like this will keep the shower walls comfortable year-round. Quik Trak panels can be installed on a subfloor, in a wall like this, or on the ceiling. Simply place these on the floor and fasten them in place using screws. It usually takes about 10 screws per panel. For a wall application like this one, we're going to use as many fasteners as necessary to keep the panels flat to the wall and flat to each other, since we're using studs. To install, measure and cut the panels to length. The aluminum backing is thin, so a normal circular or miter saw will work to cut through the panels. Here we'll peel off the aluminum back on the short pieces and use the pieces as backer panels in the places where we don't have a stud that lines up perfectly. After all the panels are in place, apply a bead of Quik Trak sealant to the grooves. This will help with heat transfer and act as a glue, locking the pipes into place. Finally, install the piping in the Quik Trak panels. Use a rubber mallet as needed to guide the pipe into place. With Uponor Quik Trak, you have many options for installation, even in areas where you might not have thought were possible before.